Okay, so now let's discuss summary checklist. I told you in the beginning that as an entrepreneur, there should be all boxes ticked. You define clear user persona, how to create it? Yes. Conduct at least 10 consumer interviews or customer interviews? Yes. Identify top three user pain points? Yes. Create a user journey map? Yes. Validate problem solution fit via user feedback? Yes. If everything is done, if every block is ticked, you are there. As I told you, you are an entrepreneur now, right? So let's do one thing. I'll give you a small exercise. You just create in your head only, just imagine that you want to solve XYZ problem and then run this exercise with a couple of your friends or your family members. Try to do it step by step. It will give you a practical knowledge of it, that how to done that. Create a user persona profile, find out your three, four friends, use their profile, make their profile, then conduct the interviews, right? And then identify three pain points they have, and then create a user journey map as we have studied, right? Validate problem, right? And then solution. So if you will do these things, you know, just by yourself, talk to people, and for the for the practical knowledge of it, you are there. You are there. Things are in a better way. Things are already working for you, right? You can imagine that things are already working for you because see, I'll tell you, practical understanding, practical knowledge is must because till the time you will not do practical assignments before actually get into this stage of becoming an entrepreneur, it would be a difficult for anyone, not only for you, for anyone. So it's better now that while you are studying, right, make a file, right? Maybe a manual file on paper or a digital file on your computer, laptop, or mobile phone. Take a note, right? Uh, find out 5, 10 people nearby, create their profile, right? Ask them relevant questions, and then see their user, their pain points, and then their journey, map that journey, and then provide them a solution. And let's see that how they respond. And do it with due diligence. Do it with due diligence, right? Just not for the sake of doing. It is for your uh, own learning. So I would suggest go for it. Right? Things are already working out for you. Things are already working for you. What you need to do, just implement it. Right? You have already spent on this course, you are studying. We have reached to the end of module 2. Now it's time. Start your assignment simultaneously. Talk to people, talk to your friends, create a imaginary product, and let's see where you are. Right? Now let's talk about some of the helpful tools, for the effective results. One is Miro, the online collaborative whiteboard or workspace. So, this is a tool wherein you can brainstorm, design, collaborate visually. That you and your two, three co-founders, right? Your teammates are sitting there. You guys are sharing thoughts, and then it's kind of a whiteboard wherein you will mark everything, will write everything, will create a strategy to implement it. So, this is what Miro does. And then Canva. Canva is very useful tool. I don't know somehow if any one of you have already used it or not. I guess so because students and working professionals both are using it these days. It's a very popular and very effective, very useful tool. Right? It's creating a wide variety of visual content, social media graphics, presentations, marketing materials, even the websites. Right? So Canva is very, very useful. And for any entrepreneur or even any professional or even as a student, it's good to learn about these tools. Good to practically have experience on these tools. Right? So do it. And then SurveyMonkey, very popular tool again for the surveys, right? I would suggest all of you to reach to your computers after this session again, right? Go to Miro, go to Canva, go to Survey, open these platforms, look at it, just get a zest or feel of it, right? If you're already using them, any one of you, if using any of these tools, do it with more diligence, do a little more deep diving, right? Because end of the day, these are very, very important. It's very, very important, right? So our next module will be business model development. In this module, we will discuss that how an idea can convert into a successful business, which we are already doing since day one of this course. But business model development now, your idea can be converted into a business. Yes, how to do it? We are already learning the process. But what is the business model and how to develop it? So we will discuss in the next module, right? So very quickly, I just want to recap one thing which I personally feel which is very important is the summary checklist, right? Why I come back here? Because I would suggest post this session whenever you get some time, try to create an imaginary product and find out people around you, your friends, your family members, and then start doing this process. It will help you. It will help you. Practice makes man's perfect. Practice makes someone perfect, right? So by this, now we will move to our next module, which is business model development.